Hello and welcome. Choosing the right test management software can feel like a monumental decision that impacts your whole team's velocity. In the landscape of 2026, Qase emerges with a bold AI-powered proposition. This review is your detailed overview to cut through the marketing and see exactly what Qase offers. We'll cover its unified approach, dive into Aden the AI agent, scrutinize its features, and balance the glowing reviews with practical considerations. By the end, you'll have a clear picture to decide if it's the right fit for your projects this year. Qase is fundamentally designed to boost delivery speed and quality by bringing all testing activities into a single AI-enhanced workspace. Its value proposition centers on significant time savings, a modern user experience, and the power of its integrated AI agent for various testing tasks. The platform doesn't force you to choose between manual and automated testing. It supports both deeply, with real-time reporting for automation and structured tools for manual processes. With seamless integration into popular development and project management tools, it aims to be the central hub for quality assurance efforts, all while maintaining enterprise-grade reliability and security standards that instill confidence for professional use. The startup plan at $30 per user monthly includes core features like unlimited projects, dashboards, 35+ integrations, and 1,000 monthly AID and AI credits. The business plan at $36 per user IDs advanced capabilities such as role-based access control, test case review, and requirements traceability, along with increased storage and AI credits. For large organizations, the custom-priced enterprise plan provides enterprise-level security with single sign-on, a dedicated cluster, a success manager, and the highest allowance of AI credits, offering a fully customized and supported solution. See you later, guys!